The George family are members of a church just down the road from Rhyl in Kimnall Bay. But around here, Dad Joseph is known by a different name. Great to see you, Joseph.
Nice.
Or should I say Joey G?
Joey G, that's right, that's the stage name.
I'm free, and I'm gonna declare it. I'm saved.
For over 10 years, Joey G has been using rap music to share the Christian message, performing in pubs, youth clubs and schools. It's a bad boy image, usually, isn't it?
Yeah.
And how do the kids react to it?
They don't expect a rapper to be a Christian, you know?
Yeah.
So it's like a bit of a new phenomenon to them. Some people, of course, listen to it and go, oh, he's one of those Bible bashers, but they still think it's cool. I want them to find about Jesus. That's my heart. I want them to meet him. But if God can use the coolness to get the message across, that's great.
I'm just gonna go back. I'm just gonna go way back to the cross. The word became flesh. I'm going no declare it from heaven down to earth. I'm going no declare it. Live among men. I'm going no.
A lot of people think that, you know, you turn to Christianity in a serious way and everything in your life is going to be rosy, there'll be no problems. It's not like that, is it?
No, it's not. And I've had trouble like anybody would, you know. There was a time when I lost the job that I had. So because I was struggling to pay my bills, I had to move out and stay with some friends. So here I was quite low, but some guys, they prayed for me and they really prayed for a breakthrough for me. And the prayer they prayed kind of like really went deep into me, and it actually led to an album. I've actually got an album called Breakthrough. A song came out of that experience.
Yo, Jesus paid the price. Yeah, Jesus paid the price. Jesus paid the price. I'm going on.
When you're working with young people from this area in North Wales, what are some of the problems that you're experiencing?
A lot of them lack hope, a lot of them lack direction. And part of my job is to try and encourage them that, you know, if they meet Jesus and if they have Jesus in their lives, that Jesus can give them a purpose and a reason to live. And that's one of the reasons why I wanted to use hip-hop in a good way, to show that you can have fun, but you can get a good message across.
Next week, we celebrate Harvest. Catherine Jenkins is in Exeter in Devon to meet some Christian farmers. And we've a very special performance from Farmer's Son, Sir Bryn Terfel. Well, despite the weather, I've had a great day here at the Rhyl Airshow, but it's the stories of faith played out, often in the most difficult of circumstances, that will stay with me. We're going to end with a hymn which reminds us that, come what may, God's kingdom will stand. Until next time, bye-bye.
Countryfile takes a look at harvest, the busiest time of the farming year, tonight at 7 on BBC One. Over on BBC 4 at 7, get a front row seat to the last night of the proms from around the UK.